Good day, I will share to you our generator having alarm GE trip circuit fail. But take note, our generator is still running, and I try to unload and then to shut down or to stop, but unfortunately I cannot stop. Okay, and then I need to troubleshoot. Okay, our three generators are running, but we need to synchronize this generator after I fix it, because we need to run this generator because we are here in loading port. As you can see, the number one LED is off, means there is a one trip circuit that is missing. Okay, the number one, we will check to the cable supervisory module. Number one is stop solenoid fail. Number one is tagging A. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. Means there is a 5 monitoring for trips. Example, that one C, that is for the lube oil. Okay, we will transfer because my manual is hitting the air duct. Okay, that one, the C, tag C is lube oil low, going to the supervisory module or wire brake module. That one, stop solenoid valve connected with a resistor 10k ohms, then going to the diode. There is a supply at the top is the positive 24, and then this is the negative going to that circuit or to that bulb, and then go to A, going to the cable supervisory module, so that it will monitor the wire brake. That is very important. That is the purpose of cable supervisory or wire brake. In other relays, they called wire brake relays. Okay, as you can see, it's already late. Turn on the number one LED, it's lit. I recrimp that one, all connectors recrimp, going to the terminals. As you can see, there is a cuts up to the vibration. The wires are being loosed, or the crimp on that wire is cut. All connections going to the terminal I already tighten, and some loose cable shoe or cable terminals I recrimp. Okay, as you can see, the number one LED is lit. Okay, for example, like this, due to the vibration of the generator, it starts to rub through the wires, and it will lose or cut. Below that 108, that is intended for the solenoid valve, stop solenoid valve diode. And our generator is fixed, and that's all. Thank you very much.
If you learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barco TV. Thanks for watching.